Hi, I'm Erin. I'm one of Greenway Mortgage's branch managers, and today I'm here to talk to you about the different types of renovation loans that we offer. The first loan I want to talk about today is the limited 203k. The limited is for minor repairs up to $35,000. A lot of people use these on bank-owned or foreclosed homes if they want to do repairs like the roof, maybe change out the flooring, or update a bathroom or a kitchen. You can borrow the purchase price plus up to $35,000 for repairs and repair costs, which would include inspections, the cost of the renovations, any contingency reserves, and additional closing costs associated with a renovation mortgage. The next type of renovation loan is a standard 203k. A standard is for more comprehensive projects like additions, major modifications, and anything structural that you'd like to do to your house. This also includes projects with renovation costs over $35,000. During the process, Greenway Mortgage will arrange for a 203k consultant to come out and inspect the property to make sure that the project you're looking to do is financially feasible and the end result will be a safe and livable home for you and your family. Thanks for joining me today to talk about renovation loan products. Be sure to stick with me as I'll be creating many more videos to help my clients through their home buying process.